An impactful LinkedIn profile can help you grab attention from recruiters, increase networking opportunities, help you land your dream job. But if your LinkedIn profile looks something like this, it will lead to limited visibility, reduced credibility, less networking success, missed job opportunities. In this video, I will leverage ChatGPT to update my profile headline and about section for a more impactful profile. Okay, so now I have signed into my ChatGPT and I have written a prompt, act as a recruiter and tell me how to write a LinkedIn headline with an example. Let's see what it has to give us. So now here I see 3 points. One is identify your role and field and start with your current job title. So the job title is one thing. Then the second thing is to mention my skills or expertise. And the third thing is a USP that sets you apart and shows your unique value. Also, ChatGPT has given me an example of a software engineer. Okay, so this is the format in which we can write. So what I'll do is I'll go to the prompt and tell ChatGPT what is my designation and what do I specialize in. So here I'm typing in, I'm a digital marketing manager specializing in SEO. Can you give me a headline for my LinkedIn profile? So let's hit the enter button. And here I have it. So it says digital marketing manager, SEO specialist, driving organic growth and ROI. So what I will do is I will quickly copy this. If you want, you can make changes to this, but I'll copy this for now. I will quickly head on to my LinkedIn section, and this is just a demo account. Now you can see this digital marketer written here, which I will replace with the result that I got from ChatGPT. So I will copy paste this and edit some changes. So once I'm happy with what I have on my headline, I will click on save. So now you see that my headline looks much better than before and it looks much more impactful. So now that we have updated the headline section, now I will be updating the about section for my LinkedIn profile. So here you can see I have already mentioned a prompt in ChatGPT wherein I have mentioned my job title, my specialization, the work experience, the number of years that I have experience and the skills. So for now I have left this blank, but you need to mention the details as per your skills and expertise. And the more details you give to ChatGPT, the better results you will achieve. So here you can see I have mentioned all my details, all my skills, expertise and the number of years of experience that I have. And this is the result that I got from ChatGPT. So what I want you to do is once you get the results, make sure you are reading it thoroughly. And if there are any changes as per whatever you want, you can make those changes. So what I'll do is I'll copy paste this and quickly head on to my LinkedIn section. And as you can see right now, the about section just has 2 lines. So I'll copy paste the result from ChatGPT and I will save this. So as you can see that it looks much more better and impactful than before, and it instantly makes your LinkedIn profile stand out. If you have not yet updated your LinkedIn profile, do try this out, and if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.